Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss how to draw the projection of planes. So first of all we need to create a drawing sheet, and in the drawing sheet we have to create the page by the help of MB setup command and enable the paper space, no, enter unit type metric, enter the scale factor 1, enter the paper width we can give we'll give 300 and paper height we can give 200. So by that we can create a new drawing sheet in the screen here. And now we'll see how to draw the projection of planes in the AutoCAD. So let's discuss projection of planes. Actually the planes are represented in two-dimensional objects which are having the length and breadth or length and height we can say, and a negligible thickness. The thickness need to be considered as a negligible thickness. So the planes may be in the different types. Here some types of planes are mentioned here, like a triangle, rectangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, rhombus, ellipse, square. These are the example of different types of planes are there. And the planes may be situated and may be positioned in the HP and VP in two different, like many types. It can be, you can say it may be presented in different, it can be located in different location will be there. So for this what we can do, we can see what are the types are there here. Position of planes. The planes may be parallel to HP and it can be perpendicular to VP. This is the first category. Second is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, opposite of this one. And the plane parallel to the profile plane, or you can say the plane is perpendicular to both HP and VP. And the plane will be inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP, inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP, opposite of this one. And the plane can be inclined to both HP and VP. So these are the position of planes. The planes can be positioned in different ways for the HP and VP. So here some diagrams are given based on the position. Here you can see the position is given, the plane is parallel to HP here. The first one is the plane is, this is the plane is given, and you can see this is the plane is there, and this is a vertical plane and horizontal plane. And the observer is observing the object from the front view. If suppose this is the front view is there, and this is the top view will be there, and this is the, okay, we'll see the projection later. Let's see how the plane can be placed in the HP and VP. So this is the first category. The plane is parallel to the HP. This plane is parallel to the HP. Second one is the plane is parallel to the vertical plane. This is the plane, and which is parallel to the vertical plane is here. Similarly, the third condition is the plane is parallel to the profile plane. We know that the profile plane will be drawn in this side, and this is named as the profile plane. So this plane, this is the object. Now this plane is parallel to the profile plane. So this is the line, suppose this is the, this is the plane and this is the plane, both are parallel to each other. If this is the condition, then in this condition what will happen? The plane will be perpendicular to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. The next category is the plane is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So initially it was parallel and perpendicular. Now it is it will be inclined and perpendicular. So it will be inclined to HP, you can see inclined to HP and perpendicular to vertical plane. Similarly, opposite of this one, the plane is, you can see this is inclined to vertical plane. This plane is inclined to vertical plane and it is perpendicular to horizontal plane. And now this condition is the plane is inclined to both the plane. Here you can make some, here it will make some angle, as well as it will make some angle of horizontal plane. So these are the position of plane with the vertical plane and horizontal plane. So let's discuss one by one point. The first point we will see the plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. This is the first category. So the question is given here, a square plane of side 40 mm and has its surface parallel to and 20 mm above HP. Okay, let underline this. So the surface, the plane surface is parallel to HP and the surface is situated 20 mm above the HP. So the observer will be here. You can see the observer who is standing here, that he can observe the object from this side. Then this will be a front view, and the top view will be visible from the this side. Okay, and this is the top view and this is the front view. So the first we need to see that what is the position of the object. So in this, three questions are given. First one is given, the side is parallel to the HP. One of the side of the square will be parallel to the HP. So obviously one side, this is side, this is one side, this is one side, this is one side, four sides are there. So one side will be parallel to the here vertical plane. So here you can see this side is parallel to the vertical plane. So we need to keep the object in such a way so that it will be parallel to the HP and the surface will be parallel to HP. This is the surface parallel to the this HP plane, and one of the side, obviously one of the side, this plane can be placed in different ways. The intention is the plane can be placed in different ways on the HP. That surface will be parallel to HP, but it will make some angle to the vertical plane. So the question is given here, three different types are given. First one is the side is parallel to the VP. So one side is parallel to the VP. Second one is one side is inclined 30 degree to VP. Any one side will be inclined to 30 degree. That means here it is 0 degrees there, suppose. Now we need to keep the plane in such a way it will be inclined in this way. So the angle between this will be 30 degree. Okay, one side will be angle of 30 degree will be there. So then we need to draw the front view and top view for that. Similarly, third question is all sides are equally inclined to the vertical plane. That means all sides, this side, all are equally inclined to the vertical plane. That means we need to consider here 45 degree. Okay. So this is the category of questions given for us. Now we'll go for the AutoCAD. Okay. So this is our screen. Let's consider a line as, okay, one more thing let me tell you. So again let me remind you that this is the reference plane for us. So XY line is there, and while drawing this projection, orthographic projection, we need to rotate this horizontal plane, and this plane will be rotated above, and we can draw the front view here. Front view will be drawn on the vertical plane and top view will be drawn on the horizontal plane. Okay, now which is the true length can be visible for this? So obviously the true length will be visible from the top side here, because the surface we can see clearly from the top side, which is a square, and from the front view only you can see a line here. We can see a line only which is projected on the vertical plane. So we'll go for the first, the top view, will draw it. Okay, so let draw a line, and some line you can draw it here, and let draw a square. So for drawing a square we can go for the polygon here, and we can select the polygon here, and number of sides, enter the number of sides is 4. Yeah, and now we need to specify the center of polygon, whether we need to draw the center of the polygon or we can draw by edge. Now we'll select the edge. So let first edge of the square, and what is asking the second point, that means the distance of the length of the edge, that is 40 mm. Yeah, 40 mm. Let extend this one this side. Okay, now so this is our square we have drawn. Now we need to draw the projection from each point, so there is no problem for this. Yeah, over. Now next we need to project this in that other side. So this one we can change the color. This is our answer for that. So you can change the color and thickness. Though I have changed the thickness, but the thickness was not changed here. So what I'll do, I'll click on the display line weight and I'll change the thickness of this. Now you can see the thickness of the answer is the top view is changed. Now we'll go for the front view. So front view only line will be visible. The front view will be situated 20 mm, the point given 20 mm, and here we can take what is the length is 40, and then we can draw here. Again we can come back. So this line need to be change the color because this is the answer for that. So based on that we can do it. Now we'll go for that dimension. So dimension we can go for it like what is the gap is there between that, and what is the side of the square. One side we can mark it, that will be enough for us. And next we need to give the text for that. So each what is that lamina given? It is given a square lamina, so you can give some distance like what is the name of that PQRS ABCD XYZ, something we can give in that. So the name we can give ABCD. So here for giving the name, okay, let's select here, and 3 angle 0. So yeah, A, and it is B, and this is C point, and this is D point. This is the top view of the object. Okay, and the front view will be A dash, and you can give here B dash. Similarly here you can write C dash and D dash. Okay, so this is all about the diagram answer. Next, second question is given, one side is inclined 30 degree to the vertical plane. Now one of the side, as I shown you, one of the side is making some angle of 30 degree to the vertical plane. Okay, this is the vertical plane. So here if you see the front view, you can see how many edges you can see. 1, 2, 3. 3 edges we can see, and another one is it is there but we are not able to see, so that point also need to be mentioned. So that so front view will be projected from the top view, so the true shape or of the object can be visible, can be seen from the top view. Okay, so we'll go for the second answer. Let's draw it. So again the same thing I can copy from here to there. Okay, I'll copy here and I'll paste here. Okay, let copy paste here, or else I'll do one thing. I'll select everything, I'll copy and I'll paste here. Okay, yeah, so same thing we have copied, but the thing is here now this plane need to be rotated. So what we'll do, select the point, so select the plane and rotate command and select the object. Now we need to rotate some angle, which how much angle? 30 degree angle. This line now you can delete it. Okay, okay, object also you can move it from here to here, and this naming also you can give it here, and this point you can give it here. Okay, now this angle between this, how much is there? Let's check it once. Angular value, how much is there? Yeah, 30 degree. So I did correctly it. Okay, next the projection need to be drawn from this top view, so that will be again same distance should be there. So what I'll do, I'll draw a okay, leave it. First I'll project the line. Okay, from here let project the line, this one. Okay, it is gone. Okay, next again line, so it will be projected, and from here it will be C point, and from D point. Okay, now the line need to be joined here. Okay, just I can take here. Okay, otherwise we'll go for it from here to 20, then I can directly go here. Okay, so next other part we can trim it. Extra part is there, we can trim it, and this is the line which is our final front view of the object which we have seen from the front side. Now this need to be again marked it, okay, which is the A dash point, copy it. So A dash point is here. Now we have to give the, okay, both is copying, so we'll delete one thing, delete, okay, and again paste. So B dash, here we'll keep only the B dash point, okay, again, okay, this one, next one will copy it, copy and paste. So this is the C point is there, so the front view will be C dash, and this is the D dash point, so we can delete the C dash point, okay. Here we can give comma, and this one also we can give comma, okay. Anything is there, let's see, dimension we can give it ABCD dash, okay. So everything completed. Now the next part is we need to give the dimension. Obviously dimension already given here previously. Angular extra thing is the angle between this object, so that also I have mentioned. And if you want to mention the dimension of the object, then we need to select aligned, and we need to select, and we can give the dimension of that. And if you want to find out the length of this, that what is the front view length will be there, then you need to select this one. What is the linear length of this? Select from the line from here to here, 54.64. So that one we can change the style, dim style, and go for the modify. After modify, go for this primary units, make it 0, okay, set current and close it. Finally we'll get like this, okay. Now we'll go for the next question. The third question is, all sides are equally inclined to the vertical plane. So all sides will be inclined to vertical plane means, so one side, each side, like this side and this side, this both will be 90 and this will be 90. So totally 180 degree angle should be there. So here it is already 90 is there because it is a square is there, okay. So this side should be 45 and this side should be 45. That means the square should make an angle of 45 degree to the vertical plane. So previously we have done 30 degree, now it should be done 45 degree. That is the difference will be there. Okay, so next again what I'll do, I'll copy this, okay, and I'll paste it here, and this one now again you need to rotate it, okay. So what I'll do, rotate command and select that object, and we need to give a angle of -45, and this we can delete it. Now this texting, it is up to us, we can give it. Previously actually the text was changed because I have taken the A point here and I kept as usual. So it is up to the location how it is given, okay. So okay, here it is taken, the A point is here, okay, we'll take the same thing, no issue. A point, then B point is the next one, this is the B point, and C point, and this is your D point, okay. Finally again we need to go for the projection of that from each point. Let from each point we can draw the projection, and this line and this line both will come in the same actually. If you want to test check it, yeah, both are coming in the same, so no need to draw that one. So again we can draw the line from that 20 millimeter height here, and we can go for the projection of the line. Extra line we can trim it, okay, yeah, that is completed. So now next we can give the, we can highlight this, I can give the thickness, we can increase the thickness of the line, change the color, okay. And next we need to give the text. Just copy the text from there to here, A dash, copy B dash, B dash, D dash both are in the same point, so this need to be given. Okay, and the next is C dash, C dash in the last, it will be there. Okay, next again if you want to give the angle, means we need to go for the angular, and we can select this one, this line, and this one need to be selected. Then we can give this angle and this angle. It's not selecting. Okay, maybe some issue is there. So anyway, but selecting this angle between this, we can select that one. Let's try it once. Yeah, it's not coming. Okay, maybe some issue is there. Anyway, so this is the method to draw the projection of plane in this AutoCAD. And finally we can give the dimension and angle A, B dash and D dash, and C dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, and this is the top view and this is the front view. So this is all about the AutoCAD of projection of plane for the first type. The type is actually, what is that? The plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So I hope all of you understood regarding this. If you're having any kind of doubts, you can make a comment on that, so that I can try to clarify your doubts in the comment box. So thank you all of you.